Despite some challenging times under various government leadership between both countries in terms of foreign policies in recent decades, Papua New Guinea and Australia remain close friends as neighbors geographically and share a special piece of history in relation to World War II, even after PNG gained self-governance and independence more than 30 years ago. The Australian bushfire disaster earlier this year and now the COVID-19 pandemic have yet again provided the opportunity for both countries to have dialogue and help each other.
The deep foundations of our relationship and the fact that as very close partners, as friends, we help each other, and just as PNG helped Australia during the bushfires, terrible bushfires in Australia earlier this year, we're very keen to try and help Papua New Guinea now.
High Commissioner Philp says the Australian government has already provided funding to all 22 provincial health authorities to assist in PNG's response to COVID-19.
We've provided, I think it's 27.5 million kina directly to all 22 of the provincial health authorities to allow them to better prepare for the coronavirus.
Australia has also provided over 2 million pieces of PPEs to PNG, as well as testing materials, cartridges for gene expert testing, and allowing for more processing of tests in Brisbane.
We've now, as of today, have 249 samples pending at the Institute of Medical Research and 1,167. These are results mostly from Octedi mine, which are pending in Brisbane.
Some Australian medical experts and advisors are engaged with PNG's National Control Centre, the National Department of Health, and other related agencies. High Commissioner Philp admits that Australia itself is faced with challenges in dealing with COVID-19, particularly with the situation in the state of Victoria. In spite of this, the Australian government will continue to provide assistance to PNG based on its experience with COVID-19. And whilst many have criticized the PNG government's handling of decisions in terms of saving the economy and health of its citizens, High Commissioner Philp says PNG is not alone in this.
Let me actually say that I've really been impressed by what the government has been able to do here. You know, this is not easy, and as the Prime Minister has said, it's not a health system that's well equipped to deal with an outbreak of this size. It's very difficult. But with those limited tools, I think the government has made a lot of very good decisions, some very difficult ones. We know from the Australian experience that trying to balance the economy with the health of citizens, it's very tough to do. And I think the government has tried its very best and has done really well in making good, measured, careful decisions to help people.
Dennis Orere, National EMTV News.